problem for you which is based on the properties of beta function. Here we have to prove the property of beta function by using the formulae, or I'll say the other properties of beta and gamma function. So for that we have beta x comma x, and we have to prove that it is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to 2x minus 1 beta x comma 1 upon 2. So let's start. So since we have left hand side as beta x comma x, right? So here we know that by the property or the relationship between beta and gamma, this is equal to gamma x into gamma x upon gamma 2x. Now the question is how to convert this value into the right hand side. So guys, again observe the right hand side properly, because on the right hand side we can see one term which is 2 raised to 2x minus 1. And when I see this term, it reminds me about one of the formula of beta gamma function, which is called as duplication formula. So yes, we have to use duplication formula over here to get the answer. So let's see what is the duplication formula. Here I'll show you. So it is nothing but gamma m plus half is equal to root pi by 2 raised to 2m minus 1 gamma 2m. Now guys, in our case we have x, so here instead of m you can call it as x. So this is gamma x upon gamma 2x. So if I take this gamma 2m over here on the left hand side, we'll get like this: gamma m by gamma 2m is equal to root pi upon this value, that is 2 raised to 2m minus 1 into gamma m plus half. And we can certainly use this value in our question to get the answer. So let's start. So here I'll say it is equal to gamma x upon gamma 2x is equal to root pi upon 2 raised to 2x minus 1 gamma x plus 1 by 2. Guys, you can see that I'm replacing m by x and the other term, that is gamma x, as it is. Now to prove this result, see here we have 1 upon 2 raised to 2x minus 1, which we already got. So let's separate it. So 1 upon 2 raised to 2x minus 1 separate. Now we have to prove that this into, we should have beta x comma 1 by 2. Now beta x comma 1 by 2 is nothing but gamma x. Here I'll show you. It is gamma x gamma 1 by 2 upon gamma x plus 1 by 2. So again I'm showing you the relationship between beta and gamma. So it means if I bring this term over here, then we can say it is equivalent to beta x comma half. So let's see how many terms we have. So in the denominator for that we have gamma x plus half, which is matching with the required denominator. In the numerator we want gamma x. Yes, we have that gamma x as well. Now the question remains, where is this gamma half? So guys, see carefully, we have root pi, and I think you must be knowing that the value of root pi is equal to gamma half. So I can say that this root pi is nothing but gamma 1 by 2. And guys, by doing this I got this term, and I can say that this is equivalent to beta x comma half. So just wait for 2 minutes. So it is 2x minus 1 beta x comma 1 by 2. And by doing this I have proved the results, and I'm very sure that you like this video. And if you want to learn more videos about the mathematics and beta and gamma function, then you can follow me on Facebook as well as on Twitter, myself Professor Maheshwar. Also you can register to ekeeda.com to get all the engineering videos at one place. So thank you very much and enjoy the mathematics.